If you're a clean freak like me, you're gonna want this thing, especially if you have kids or pets. It's small, but super powerful, lightweight, really easy to use, and cleanup was a breeze. I just tuck it away in a corner of my house. Next thing I know, somebody's making a mess, and I just go and grab it. Does it make my life a little bit easier? Yes, and that's a win for me.